Check out this 2019 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. The Traverse delivers all-weather capability, sleek styling, a spacious and quiet interior, ample cargo storage, and technology that keeps you safe and connected wherever your adventures may take you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Stay calm, traverse on. Take a test drive.